Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, TJ's Life, and I am TJ. My channel consists mostly of my budgeting journey, but I may post other types of content every now and then. And if this is something that you may be interested in, please just stick around. Okay guys, I have my Budget Mom, Budget by Paycheck workbook out, set up. And we're going to go ahead and do a weekly check-in. I'm trying something different this month, so just bear with me, okay? So let's go ahead and turn to our monthly view here. So I have been making sure that I have been tracking all of my spending. And we are currently in the week for paychecks. Well, I'm going to go over these from the 2nd to the 8th, and then from the 9th to the 15th. So let's go ahead and, so this is where we are right here. And I also downloaded the monthly budget page from her free resource library, and I got my numbers, what I've paid already and what is due, and I got the numbers in here. You know what I'm saying. So here we are. All I gotta do is fill this part in. I believe my trackers yep, my tracker's all cut up. So we're gonna start with this page here. And so what I like to do is I like to go in, write my things here, in black, and then after I make a payment, I go in and I write it in red ink. So this week's paycheck was $994.31. Let's see. Didn't receive this yet, so I'm not going to fill that in. I didn't have any rollover, and my other was actually it was $175. All right, so fuel, I paid $50, and then 40 up. Actually, it was 45. Oops, sorry if you hear that shaking. It's for me trying to erase this. Okay, it was 45. I paid the $73.79 for the water bill. I paid this personal loan of $157.50. What else came out? All right. Oh, I did the okay, so with this, I actually spent for my Sam's Club, it was actually $39.89, but I had to renew my membership, but I still had like $70.11 on there, which brought it up to $110. So I'm just gonna put the $39.89 because I don't want to confuse with myself, but I know what I paid for that. Let's see here, and then eating out. Okay, that's gonna be for something else. Okay, we're not gonna fill the rest of these numbers in until I make the payments on these. Okay, but what I decided to do is, as far as like bills, you can say bills or slash expenses. So what's right here, and maybe I should highlight those so you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So let me get my highlighter. So auto pay. These are my auto pays here. Auto pay. Google, okay, Amazon Prime, Google Play, the personal loan is an auto pay, and the Sam's Club is an auto pay. So these are all my auto pays. I know they're going to come out, but they have not came. These haven't came out yet. These two here. So I won't worry about that. Oh, and then this personal loan is also an auto pay, but it's not due till the 22nd. And I do expect them to come out. So in my sinking funds, I added $25 to Christmas and $1 each to my grandkids envelope, and I still have to do my payday challenge. I just haven't gotten the change for that yet. Alright. Also, these past couple of weeks, I unfortunately only had one no spend, and that was back on the 4th, which makes sense. And I'm already getting my next paycheck tracker set up. So here we are, and this is where I'm gonna put my weekly check in. So for expenses for the week of the 2nd through the 8th, in expenses I've only spent well, altogether it would be $3.19 because I am including the auto pay in that. On groceries, I only spent $58.67. Miscellaneous, I only spent $97.07, and I didn't spend anything on eating out, and there was no unbudgeted spending. So that's a good thing. I don't know what that is. Alright, so for this week of July 9th through the 15th, as you can see, there was a lot more spending. I haven't totaled any of these numbers up yet, so we're going to do that together. Let me get my black pen out here. And I have my calculator. I'm hoping this doesn't, because this thing can get kind of noisy. Hold on, I meant to get something. And I'll find some kind of little pads or something to put up under here. Alright, so let's start with expenses because that's what I have listed. I have them highlighted in blue. I do use a color coding method. So we're going to start here. So that's $40. And then $5.66. And $50. Oops, hold on, let me start over. I forgot I got this set up a little different. Okay, and then $50. Then 70, then the water bill 73, 79 equals, so my total is $239.45. I have two auto pays, so one was $16 and the other one was $39.89. That was the Sam's Club, so that total came to $55.89. Alright, then next is going to be grocery. So start here at the top. $11.89, $5, $50.83, and then two spendings at Sam's Club. That, and then Giant Eagle $42.13, $195.70. All right, and then miscellaneous spending. So got 14 at Giant Eagle. Dollar Tree, I bought a few things out of the, well, not a few things, it was $1.25. You see how much I spent. I did good though, because I stayed under $20. Then Circle K. Then One Stop equals $91.15. Eating out. Marco's Pizza. Didn't feel like cooking that day. And then I treated myself to lunch. So $69.75 for eating out for this week, or for last week. unbudgeted, just one unbudgeted, and that was $20. And let's see here. You know what I think I'm going to do too? I'm going to put, let me move this to the side here real quick and pull out my little thing. I think I'm going to do another way to do this down here at the bottom. I'm going to put the budgeted amount here for my expenses. How about that? And that'll be an even better way for me to keep track of my spending. Alright, so rent, $6.95, internet, phone. This is just the budget amount, but the amounts that I'm budgeting. Can't talk, okay. Gas, electric, and fuel. Oh shoot, I messed up. Oh, got it. Okay, 65. I mean, $6.95, $24.99, 62. Then 73.79, 51.34, 72.86, 80, and 100. Okay, so the amount that I budgeted for expenses is $159.98 minus, well, for this week, so it'll still be considered $1,159.98 is going to be my balance over on the opposite side. Maybe I should do it this way so you guys can see a little bit better these numbers that I'm entering here. So my auto pays $319, $599, $12.99, $17.07, $12.80, $19.19, $5.33, $16. So $92.56 minus $319, and I should have $89.37. Grocery, I budgeted $543 minus $58.67. 43 minus 58.67 equals $484.33. Miscellaneous, I budgeted $300 minus 97.07 equals $202.93. Should take these off the rings, but I just don't feel like it. Eating out, I budgeted $80 for the month, and this first week I didn't spend anything, so I had $80 from that. Budgeted, I budgeted $100, and I didn't spend anything out of that. All right, and then what I'm gonna do is, so now I got those totals, and I can put this to the side now. So I'm just gonna bring these totals over here. So for expenses, $159.98. Auto pay, $89.37. Grocery, $484.33. Miscellaneous, $202.93. Then the $80 for eating out, and then $100 for unbudgeted. So now, all right. So So now what I can do is start subtracting these amounts from these amounts. So 1159.98 minus 239.45 equals 9. Okay guys, I'm back. So okay, I was at 89.37 for auto pay. I spent 55.89 minus 55.89 equals 33.48. I was interrupted, so I gotta rewrite this. Okay, I gotta do that over. 59.98 minus 239.45. Okay, 920.53. All right, then we're gonna go down here to groceries. So 484. 33 minus 195.70 equals 288.63. Miscellaneous 202.93 minus 91.15 equals 111.78. I'm getting further and further. Oops, sorry, excuse me. 288.63. 288.63. All right. Then, okay, so $80 for eating out minus 69.75 equals $10.25. And then unbudgeted minus 20. That's $80. And then what I'm going to do is take these amounts here and carry it over to this page here. So let me, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so 920.53, 920.53, 33.48, 288.63, 288.63, 111.78, and 10.25, and then 80. So this is going to be how is it written? Oh, okay. I'm tripping. Okay, so it's going to be expenses, auto pay, grocery, miscellaneous, eating out, and unbudgeted. And this will just already be set up for next week. Okay, well, that's all guys. That's it for today. If you liked this video and you did stay to the end, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you wish to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that notification bell one more time, just so you can see a new video every time, just so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye bye.